traders, welcome to my YouTube channel, Agile Trading. Now let me show you today's date and time. So today is 14th of October 2020 and currently time is 9:28 AM. Now coming to our chart. So traders, as you can see here, BPCL was in our watch list and I was looking at the chart on BPCL. So here it gave us outside momentum. So I have entered at price somewhere here and this is our target and stop loss. So let us place our target and stop loss. So our stop loss is 338.25 and the profit which we want to go is 331.30. So here we are. Here's the order and done. So here you can see here after we entered the trade, it is spending some time here at S2. There is chance that it will hit S3 and this is our stop loss. Okay traders, so this is all, and as I have already told you, the setup which I use is that one day before I purchase chart of each and every stock and by that I have some support and resistance. And here when I see that it has given breakdown of this support price, I entered here for a target of S3. Okay traders, so this is simple trading setup and now let us wait for the target for a stop loss to get triggered. So traders, when you get any, I'll take you. So I'm pausing the video. So traders, here you can see it has came very near to our target and we are waiting for it to hit it. Okay traders, so more proof once more. Here you can see that it survived our stop just by some passive time. Okay, no problem. We will hold on for our target. But what here we can do is to prevent our stop loss to get triggered from reversal upward of the momentum. So we can trade our stop loss towards our trigger cost price. Okay, so let me trade my stop loss. So here I am trading my stop loss to our cost price. Okay, traders. So here it is. So let's modify it. And here our stop loss has been set to our cost price. So same will happen as yesterday, that either we will be booking profit or no loss. Simple, no profit, which is this is no loss trade. Okay traders, let's see. We will only get profit, we are not going to get any loss. Okay, so here I am waiting for our target to get triggered. It's taking some time and you can see it just spent some time near our target and didn't hit our target. But okay, we are waiting. It is when it will hit our target or it. As you can see, again here it came near to our target but didn't trigger it. It just got survived and there's some points currently. Okay, no problem, we will still wait for our target. As you can see, it is again trying to come downside and it will hit our target. So we are waiting. Okay traders, I'm calling the video and it will get updated. So traders, here you can see beta target was hit. So let's calculate our today's profit. You can see here traders, our trade got completed in few minutes only. Okay traders, here we can either let take some more profit, but we are not needed to income quickly. So that's it. Let's aggregate our today's profit. So our total target points are 3.55 on the calculator. So 3.55 and quantities which I placed according to my loss which I can bear, that 100 rupees. Profit is 1/6. So here you can see our risk reward was also 1:1 and that was good. So that was our trade after this profit. Hope you learned something from this video and enjoyed it. So thank you for watching the video and have a good day.